Erode, in Tamil Nadu, fondly known as the textile market of India, has been undergoing a metamorphosis in the last decade with rapid growth in infrastructure development, making it a proud industrial corridor of textile and garments in India. Caressed by the river Kaveri and its close proximity to Coimbatore, Salem and Tirupur has given it an added advantage to the overall development of the region. Solving complex environmental and infrastructure challenges and creating a new business culture is transforming Erode into a global hub for garments and textiles, standing true testimony to the age-old adage, when a man is well-dressed, his ideas get clothed. Though Erode is termed as the Turmeric City or the Yellow City on account of huge turmeric production, the garment and textile industry have been growing in leaps and bounds over the years. The rich textile diversity and numerous textile manufacturing units and trading establishments have contributed significantly to the economy in terms of revenue as well as providing employment. Textile and garment manufacturers depend on the wholesale traders to move their produce, and the wholesalers in turn rely on the manufacturers for production of quality goods. With numerous textile wholesale and retail outlets catering to the tastes and demands of consumers, Erode has become a national and international hub for textiles and garments. With over 150,000 weaving units, 12,000 daily outlets and 4,500 weekly sale markets operating in the region, nearly 5 lakh people are engaged directly and indirectly in the textile trade, grossing a whopping 4,500 crore rupees yearly earnings. The boon to this quest of forming a trade center to bring the textile and garment produce of Erode under a single roof has been realized by Tex Valley, making it an international textile hub and adding a golden feather to the cap of this enterprising region in Tamil Nadu in India. Tex Valley is the brainchild of the famous Lotus Group of companies and the URC Group in Erode. The handshake of these two giant business houses, combined with the support of the Central Textile Ministry and the Government of Tamil Nadu, towards promoting a trade center of international standards, the Erode Textile Mall Limited has been established with Mr. Periyasamy, Chairman of the Lotus Group, as Chairman, Mr. Devarajan, Executive Director of URC, as Vice Chairman, Mr. Rajashekar as the Managing Director, and Mr. E.P. Kumar as the Director. This company has formed Tex Valley with a total outlay of 450 crore rupees to bring together manufacturers, traders, retailers and buyers under one single roof and thereby provide the mixed benefits of quality, price and affordability to one and all.
ஈரோட்டிலிருந்து ஆல் ஓவர் நம்ம இந்தியா போகாம டெய்லி லாரியில் ஒரு 50 லாரிக்கு மேலே துணிமணிகள் போயிட்டு இருக்குது. இந்த துணிமணிகளை நல்ல விதமாக ஒரே ஒரு பக்கம் கொண்டு வந்து வியாபாரம் பண்ணுறதுக்கு சரியான மார்க்கெட்டு தயார் பண்ணி ரெடி பண்ணிக்கிட்டு இருக்கோம். அது இவ்வளோ பெரிய தொழிலை ஒரு வசதியோடு எல்லோரும் கம்ஃபர்டபுளாக செய்யணும் அப்படிங்கிறதுக்காக இந்த ஒரு ட்ரேடிங் சென்டர், அதாவது ஈரோடு டெக்ஸ்டைல் மால், டெக்ஸ் வேல்யூ அப்படின்னு செஞ்சுட்டு இருக்கோம்.
In the month of January 2011, the foundation stone laying ceremony for Tex Valley took place on an 18-acre plot of land in Chittodu, Gangapuram, abutting the Erode National Highway NH47. The construction was subsequently started and the center today boasts of using the best world-class construction materials to eventually showcase an international textile trade center of unparalleled magnitude.
இந்திய அளவில் ஜவுளித்துறையில் தனக்கென்று ஒரு முத்திரையை பதித்த ஈரோடு மாநகரத்தை உலக அளவில் ஒரு ஜவுளித்துறைக்கான நகரமாக மாற்றுவது என்பது பற்றிய ஒரு திட்டம்தான் நமது டெக்ஸ் வேலியின் இந்த மாபெரும் வளாகம்.
The central government allotting rupees 40 crores and the Tamil Nadu government providing concession in the land registration charges has been a welcome boon to this noble endeavor to augment the textile trade as a whole and to bring Erode on the world textile map. Tex Valley consists of 3 main enclosures housing the weekly market, main or the daily market, and an international convention-cum-exhibition center. The main market comprises of 6 floors spread over an area of 11.5 lakh square feet. The center offers all world-class amenities required for a trade center of this nature and magnitude. Anyone entering this prestigious center would be awestruck by its ambience. Starting from 210 square feet, individual spaces up to multiples of 4 are offered for prospective buyers. The center is centrally air-conditioned with state-of-the-art lighting systems that is pleasing to the eyes of the onlooker. Clear and artistic signboards have been strategically placed to guide visitors for absolute ease of locating their destinations. Uninterrupted power supply with adequate power backing systems have been installed to cater to the required power consumption capacity. Clean and hygienic hot and cold drinking water systems, immaculate glamour room toilets have been built at vantage points. 24-hour security along with security cameras, firefighting systems have all been found a place for total safety of customers. A 24-hour emergency clinic with medical facilities has been built to attend to any health emergencies. A state-of-the-art business center has been built to facilitate holding business meetings. The weekly market enclosure comprises of 4 floors spread over 4 lakh square feet, which also has the necessary facilities for conducting business. This market is buzzing with activity, with over 1,500 wholesalers successfully catering to a variety of textile merchants across the length and breadth of India. Tex Valley is surrounded by green and clean environment and water fountains, which help visitors to breathe in clean and pollution-free air. Spacious walkways and parking lots have been designed to satisfy the need of one and all. Buses from Tex Valley ply to various destinations to bring customers, saving their commuting time and expenditure. Multi-cuisine restaurants have been opened that serves mouth-watering dishes to satiate the palates of both Indian and foreign nationals. Work on the International Convention Center is progressing at a rapid pace, and it is expected to be completed in a short span of time. This center is expected to churn out an additional revenue in excess of 2,500 crore rupees. Tex Valley Market, which uses the business clustering concept propounded by Michael Porter, introduces a paradigm shift in B2B market model for the Indian textile wholesale segment. It brings in its wake several key capabilities enabling businesses to function at a much higher level, generating values that are beyond traditional markets. The infrastructure, the convenience, and the ambience combine to increase the sustainability quotient for the individual businesses even further. Tex Valley is sure to bring pride to Erode and the country as a whole. It would be a welcome change to the textile community and would make them realize the real and pragmatic way to conduct business as per global standards. The time has come for the world to raise its eyebrows with a mere peep into Tex Valley. Tex Valley, a true global haven for textiles and garments.